Channel. And speaking of the channel, if you haven't noticed, there's a new intro and the channel name has changed a little bit, and that's because Twisted Throttle Moto, which was what my channel was, is very similar to a company called Twisted Throttle. They sell stuff a lot like Revzilla and Bike Bandit and all that. They sell stuff online, so I didn't want to be, well, A, sued, and B, you know, to have some confusion going on. So I changed the name, and now it is Squid Moto. So thanks for checking me out. And right now we're going to take off the DB Killer, which is the baffle, and I'm going to show you how to take it off. And we're going to take it for a ride, start it up, listen to it, and then take it for a ride and compare it to the rest of them. So we're going to pull this off. Okay. So first thing we got to do is we got to come in here to this snap ring. And I've got a pair of snap ring pliers. These are from Harbor Freight, so they go both ways. You can either expand it, or in this case we're going to collapse it. So we're going to stick these in here, stick them in the holes, pinch these down, and try to get this out. It's always fun. Okay, pull the snap ring out. We're going to cut a pair of needle nose. We're going to go in here, we're going to grab, the best way to do this is from the inside and get in there and yank out on it, but it's a little too hard, so we're going to grab a hold of this and pull the baffle out, and that's pretty much it. You can see it's just air goes in here, quiets down on the way out. So that's that. We're going to sit this down. That actually came out really easy. I can't believe it. Now we're going to start it up. So babe, you may want to walk to this side of the bike. It's going to be loud. So.
But Easton comes out here.
Stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'm going to take you for a ride, and we'll run the comparison between all three of them. Be right back. Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to change the pipes out here soon, but I still got the stock pipe on there. So I'm getting ready to put this recorder in the back here. It's kind of down by the pipe. It's close enough to get some good sound. This is going to be my control place to put it. So I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to set the phone up, and we're going to get a run driving down the road. So we're going to get both. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I put it back in, but I'm going to take it out real quick and let's see the difference as I pull it out. It's hot, so I got to be cold. Difference, guys. You can really hear a difference, and I'm not going to we're not going to handle this because it's pretty hot, but that's it. I hope you guys like the comparison. Please, if you haven't, please hit like and subscribe. Leave me some comments, let me know how you guys feel about this. If you're on Evolving Male, please check me out on Squid Moto, and that's my other channel. Slowly everything will eventually go there that's motorcycle oriented, but for now it's on both. Anyway guys, thanks for checking me out, and as always, peace out.